Very shortly ready. Expected flight time 1 hour 50 minutes. Bergamo is very similar weather than here. Light winds, few clouds, temperature around 8 degrees Celsius. Wish you pleasant progress.
Secure as shown. To inflate the life jacket, pull down sharply on the red toggle. There is a mouthpiece for further inflation or deflation and a light to attract attention. Do not inflate your life jacket until you are outside the aircraft. Before takeoff, please study the safety card located within the area you are seated, as it includes important safety information specific to this aircraft type. It is essential that cabin signs and instructions given by the crew are followed. We would like to remind you that smoking is not permitted anywhere on board. Your hand baggage must be securely stowed in the overhead locker or under the seat in front of you, and it must not block any aisle or exit. Now please ensure that your seatbelt is securely fastened, tray table folded, armrests down, and window blinds open. For your safety, we recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times. Portable electronic devices such as tablets and mobile phones in flight mode may be used throughout the flight. Please select flight mode now and hold your device securely or place it in a pocket. If your device or its battery is damaged, hot, produces smoke, is lost, or falls into the seat structure, please inform the cabin crew immediately. Larger devices, including laptops, must be switched off and stowed in your cabin baggage for takeoff and landing. Thank you for your attention. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Would like to remind you that on this aircraft you can find 8 exits and the life jackets are situated in a panel just above your head. Also, in an unlikely event of decompression, need to remove your face covering before placing on the oxygen mask. Thank you.
Supérieur ou sous le siège devant vous et il ne doit obstruer aucune allée ou sortie. Assurez-vous maintenant que votre ceinture de sécurité soit bien attachée, la tablette rangée, les accoudoirs abaissés et les stores des hublots ouverts. Pour votre sécurité, nous vous recommandons de garder votre ceinture de sécurité attachée pendant le vol. Les appareils électroniques portatifs, tels que les tablettes, les téléphones cellulaires en mode avion, peuvent être utilisés tout au long du vol. Veuillez sélectionner le mode avion maintenant et tenez fermement votre appareil ou placez-le dans une poche. Si votre appareil ou sa batterie est endommagé, chaud, produit de la fumée, est perdu ou tombe dans la structure du siège, veuillez en informer immédiatement l'équipage. Les appareils plus volumineux, y compris les ordinateurs portables, doivent être éteints et rangés dans vos bagages de cabine pour le décollage et l'atterrissage. Merci pour votre attention. Veuillez vous asseoir, vous détendre et profiter du vol.